Cardano is drawing renewed attention as its governance body reviews a quantum security migration proposal tied to lattice-based cryptography. The initiative aligns with FIPS 232.06 standards, which are part of broader cryptographic modernization efforts. This proposal is part of a larger industry trend where blockchain networks are preparing for future threats posed by quantum computing. The Cardano network is positioning itself to address long-term security concerns by exploring governance-level migration strategies earlier than many competitors. The proposal focuses on lattice-based cryptography, a method considered resistant to quantum attacks. This approach is similar to what Bitcoin is exploring through BIP 361, suggesting a broader industry movement toward post-quantum encryption. The Cardano governance process is currently assessing how to implement these changes in a way that maintains network integrity and user trust. The initiative has sparked renewed interest in Cardano's infrastructure roadmap and its long-term vision for security. ADA, the native token of Cardano, has stabilized near 0.254 after a sharp sell-off erased earlier gains during May 16 trading. Despite the volatility, ADA has held key support levels, suggesting some resilience in the asset's price structure. Declining trading volume indicates a cautious market sentiment, with investors possibly waiting for clearer signals. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. From the network's governance decisions, the quantum security proposal is not just a technical upgrade. It reflects a strategic move to future-proof the blockchain against potential threats. As quantum computing becomes more viable, traditional cryptographic methods could become obsolete. Cardano's proactive approach signals a commitment to maintaining its relevance and security in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. A research proposal connected to the strategy is expected soon, which will likely provide more technical details about the proposed migration framework. This document could influence investor sentiment and market perception of Cardano's readiness for the future. The Cardano team is also drawing attention for its engagement with key figures like Charles Hoskinson, who recently suggested commercial-grade quantum systems could emerge as early as 2033. The market is watching closely as Cardano's governance body navigates this complex transition. The success of the quantum migration strategy will depend on several factors, including technical feasibility, community adoption, and regulatory alignment. If implemented effectively, the move could enhance Cardano's appeal to institutional investors and technologists concerned with long-term blockchain security. ADA's price action has shown some stability despite recent volatility, suggesting that the market may be digesting the implications of the quantum security proposal. However, the asset remains sensitive to broader market sentiment and governance developments. The next key signal will be the release of the formal research proposal and the response from the Cardano community. This could either reinforce confidence in the network's direction or reveal potential challenges in the migration process. The broader blockchain industry is also paying attention to Cardano's approach. While other major networks are discussing quantum resistance, Cardano appears to be advancing the conversation at a governance level. This could position the network as a leader in the space, but only if the proposed changes are well received and technically. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The stakes for Cardano are high. A successful quantum migration could solidify its position as a forward-thinking blockchain platform. A misstep, however, could lead to fragmentation or loss of trust among users and developers. The governance process will need to balance innovation with stability to ensure a smooth transition. The next signal to watch is the formal release of the quantum migration research proposal. This document will provide a clearer picture of the technical roadmap and the timeline for implementation. The market's reaction to this release will likely influence ADA's price trajectory and investor confidence in Cardano's long-term vision.